In this video, we are going to discuss extrusive volcanicity and extrusive landforms. Extrusive volcanicity is the process through which solid, liquid and gaseous materials from the Earth's interior are rejected to the Earth's surface through vents and fissures. Extrusive volcanic features, also called extrusive landforms, are those formed when magma reaches the Earth's surface through vents and fissures. Examples of extrusive volcanic features. Extrusive volcanic features or extrusive landforms are classified into two. 1. Features formed by vent eruption and 2. Features formed by fissure eruption. We will first discuss the features formed by vent eruption. Later on in this video, we will discuss the features formed by fissure eruption.
The features formed by fissure eruption include the following: volcanoes, basic lava domes, acid lava domes, ash and cinder cones, plug volcanoes, composite cones or stratovolcano, volcanic depressions, hot springs, steam jets and geysers. Volcanoes. A volcano is a cone-shaped hill formed when volcanic materials flow out and accumulate around a vent. The diagram below illustrates a volcano and its different parts. Types of volcanoes. There are three main types of volcanoes based on their volcanic activity. These three are active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes and extinct volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those which have erupted in the recent past. They also show signs of possible eruption in the future. Examples of active volcanoes include Mount Oel Donyolangai and Mount Meru in Tanzania, Mount Cameroon, Mount Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Mount Nyamlajara and Nyiragongo in the Democratic Republic of Congo. We also have Teleki, Likayu Longonot, Saswa, Menengai, and Homa Hills in Kenya. Dormant volcanoes on the other hand have not erupted in the recent years but show signs of volcanic activity. Examples of dormant volcanoes include Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Mounts Longonot, Menengai, and Saswa in Kenya. The third type is extinct volcanoes. These types of volcanoes have not shown signs of possible future eruptions. Examples of extinct volcanoes include Mounts Kenya and Elgon in Kenya, Mount Ngorongoro in Tanzania and Mount Muhavura in Uganda.
The second feature formed through vent eruption is a basic lava dome. Basic lava domes are also called basaltic lava domes or shield volcanoes. Basic lava domes are made from basic lava which has low viscosity and flows over a long distance before it cools and solidifies. Basic lava domes are large low-lying volcanic domes. They have broad bases and gentle slopes. Basic lava domes have the following characteristics. They are dome-shaped, have gentle slopes, are broad-based and have layers of basic lava. They are formed by non-violent vent eruption. The eruption releases basic lava through the vent. Upon reaching the Earth's surface, the lava flows in all directions around the vent over a long distance before cooling and solidifying. Repeated eruption releases more basic lava which covers the old layers. This leads to the formation of a cone with gentle slopes and a broad base. The third type of feature formed through vent eruption is an acid lava cone. Acid lava cones are also called cumulovolcanoes. They are formed from acid lava which is very viscous or very thick. Because of this high viscosity, acid lava only flows over a short distance before it cools and solidifies. This diagram illustrates formation of an acid lava cone. As I said earlier, the cones are formed when viscous lava flows out through a vent. However, the lava does not spread out over a long distance but remains accumulated around the vent. Repeated volcanic eruptions release more lava which covers the old layers below. This leads to the formation of a cone with steep-sided convex slopes and a crater at the top. Acid lava cones have the following characteristics. They have a dome shape, steep convex slopes, a narrow base and several acid lava layers. From what we have discussed up to this point, attempt the following questions. 1. Distinguish between an acid lava cone and a basic lava dome. 2. Differentiate between acid lava and basic lava.
The fourth type of feature formed by vent eruption is an ash and cinder cone. This type of volcano is made from pyroclasts and has the following characteristics. A steep windward slope and a gentle leeward slope. Smooth slopes. Cone shape. The cones are mainly made up of pyroclasts. During a violent vent eruption, ash and pyroclast are released and thrown high up in the sky. Some of the materials fall back and settle around the vent to form a cone with concave-shaped slopes. Lighter materials are blown by wind to the leeward slopes.
The fifth feature formed by vent eruption is a plug volcano. A plug volcano is also called a plug dome or a spine volcano. A plug volcano is a column of very thick lava which sticks above the ground like a pillar. It has the following characteristics. Dome-shaped. Has very steep sides. It is cylindrical in shape. It has debris on the side and it is made up of very viscous fluid. This diagram illustrates how a plug volcano looks like. A plug volcano forms as follows. Very viscous magma flows out of the ground through a vent. The magma cools and solidifies rapidly as it rises up the vent. Rock debris that break from the plug remain accumulated on the sides of the volcano.
Our sixth feature is a volcanic plug, also called a volcanic neck. A volcanic neck is a column of magma which cooled and solidified inside the vent of a volcanic cone and is now exposed due to erosion. This diagram is an illustration of how a volcanic plug looks like. Formation of a volcanic plug. During a volcanic eruption, lava is poured out around the vent forming a volcano. The volcano is exposed to erosion and weathering, which eventually exposes the column of magma inside the vent. Repeated erosion leads to formation of a steep-sided neck of solid lava on top of the volcano.
A composite cone, also called a stratovolcano, is the last feature formed by vent eruption which we will discuss in this video. A composite volcano is a steep volcanic cone with alternating layers of lava and pyroclasts. The diagram below represents a composite volcano. Study it and label the parts. Remember we had illustrated the parts of a volcano earlier on in the video. A composite volcano is formed as follows. The central volcanic eruption occurs. The eruption forms a layer of ash. When the violence stops, lava flows and forms layers over the ash. Some lava escapes through the sides to form a parasitic cone. Repeated eruptions form a volcanic cone with alternating layers of ash and lava called a composite volcano. A composite volcano has the following characteristics. Has steep slopes. It is cone-shaped. It has a vertical pipe also called a vent. It has side vents, which are also called dikes. It has conelets or parasitic cones or small volcanoes on the sides. It has alternating layers of ash and lava and at the peak it may have a depression. For a minute, let us discuss how a parasitic cone or a conelet is formed. Pressure is reduced causing magma from the Earth's interior to fail to reach the top of the volcano. The upper part of the main vent gets blocked. This causes pressure to build up inside the volcano, forcing magma to escape through the side vents. Repeated outflow of magma through the sides causes alternating layers of ash and magma to build up and form a conelet on the side of the volcano as illustrated in the diagram below.